I have 4 little pots of chilies which I want to plant now, and they are really healthy plants. I got them the other day from the garden center. So I'm going to plant 3 in the pots, in the planters, and I'm going to plant 1 of them in the ground. So come with me as I transplant these chilies. Let's have a look at what kind of chilies I'm going to plant. First of all, we start with this one. Some people do love chilies, but other people don't like them. And the chilies are loaded with minerals and vitamins, but some of them are really hot. So we have this one here. This one you see here. This one is called Thai dragon. Wow, Thai dragon. These are hot chilies, so you need to handle them with care. Even when transplanting them, you need to handle them with care. So this one is the Thai dragon. I wonder how hot it is. So let's do the Thai dragon first of all. The Thai dragon. So when transplanting, just keep the label, keep the label so that you know which chili you have planted. So they come in little planters here. These are seedlings. So these are seedlings of hot chili. So let's do the first one. So it's just, you turn the pot upside down like this, and you just squeeze it like this, and there comes our Thai dragon, our hot chili Thai dragon. So this is the Thai dragon. I'm going to transplant the Thai dragon in one of the pots. I'm choosing the pink one. So we push this one, and then we have the pink one here. So this is for our Thai dragon. So when transplanting, you just this soil is a bit too much, so I can reduce the soil here. It's a bit too much. So you just dig a hole in the center, dig a hole in the center. Then make sure this hole, the roots get covered with soil. So these are the roots which have already developed. So the Thai dragon has lots of fibrous roots there. So what we do is we just place it in the center like this, and then we just press it hard. Press it hard. The hot peppers, the chilies, they love sunshine. So make sure where you place the planter, there's lots of sunshine, and water them, occasionally, and they need well-drained soil. So this planter is a very good drainer, because it has some holes underneath it there. So our Thai dragon is going to establish itself here. So remember to put the label, Thai dragon. Just place the label there. So that's done. Thai dragon. Look at it. It seems these hot chilies are nearly producing some flowers. I can see some little buds there, some little flower buds. So that's our Thai dragon hot chili. So let's see the next one we are going to plant. Now we are now ready for the next chili, hot chili. The next one is this one here, and this one is another hot chili. It's another Thai dragon. Oh, I didn't know I have another Thai dragon, So we have 2 Thai dragons so far. So the same we did with the first one. And look at the Thai dragon, hot chili pepper. Now it's time to transplant it. Make sure you keep the label, just place it there, and you are going to dig a hole in the center. Then the hole is ready, so you just squeeze it out Gently squeeze it out, gently. Look at the roots, a network of roots, which is amazing. So we are going to plant another Thai dragon. Make sure the hole is deep enough. Yeah, like that. Then we squeeze it in. We squeeze our Thai dragon in. So this can be, they are really suitable for the patio. If you have a patio, you can always plant your, homegrown chilies, So we have 2 Thai dragons here. Beautiful plants, beautiful seedlings, ready to give us those chili hot peppers. So we have 2 so far. We have 2 Thai dragons. Now let's see what's coming next. We have this amazing one here. It's growing really tall. It's nearly going to 30 centimeters in height. So this one is called the Apache chili pepper, hot pepper. It's called the Apache. Oh, I didn't know that there are several, names of these, species of chilies. So this is called Apache. And as you can see, it's already, it seems the little flowers are coming out already. And it's of about 30 centimeters in height. So they say that chilies can go up to 100 centimeters in height. So we will be watching these chili peppers, and see how tall they will grow. So this one is the Apache. We are going to transplant it into the other big pot. It seems to be, it likes growing, really tall. So let's give it a big pot. So we are giving it the Apache this pot here. So this pot is for the Apache. And there is our Apache here. Our Apache is here, nearly 30 centimeters in height. So like always, we need to do a deep hole in the center. So let's do a deep hole in the center, so that we transplant our Apache. These are well drained, planters. They are very good, So the Apache, we need to take out the label so that we always know what is going on. So the Apache is going into a more flexible plant. These are for the seedlings. Oh, look at the network. I love the network of veins. These plants are always at work, They don't really tire, They're always growing and producing amazing network of roots. Wow, amazing. These are fibrous roots for our Apache. Yeah, let's hope I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it's the Apache hot pepper, chili hot pepper. So it goes deep in there. It is going deep into the plant. Going deep into the plant. Amazing plants. So we do that gently. We just transplant them gently, and then finally we are going to water them, just to keep them, going. So our Apache is in the center of the plant. So let's look at the last one. There are 4 in total. Yeah, we have the last one here. It's another amazing hot chili pepper. It is grown up to about 40 centimeters already in the little planter. And this one is called, it's another Apache. So we have 2 of them. We are again another Apache. So I'm going to transplant this Apache in the ground. So it's nearly 45 centimeters tall. So let's see how it goes. There's some kale growing in this portion, but it's loaded with weeds. Soon we'll be weeding. They need a place where there's hot sunshine, so I'm going to plant it here. I need to dig a hole. That's our seedling, the Apache seedling. This is another Apache seedling of hot chilies. Just let it go, let it go, let it go. Whoa, that's our seedling. We have just let it go. There it goes, ready to establish itself there. Just cover up. So we have left it there, the second Apache seedling. Time to water the hot chilies. That's our fourth one. This one. We need to water it as well.